Are you busy and dealing with all the stress that comes with the go-go-go-ness of life? Well, hey, if we haven't met yet, I'm Nicolette Moore, and I'm going to share with you an ancient practice that people have used for centuries that you may want to consider integrating into your life if you're not already. That'll help to make sure that you can kind of stay sane in the midst of all this craziness that we call life. But first, I create videos almost daily to empower you to be the best version of yourself in both life and business. So you can walk away from this video feeling empowered and ready to take on your day, knowing that you can do whatever it is that you set your mind to do. We always do some breath work together and some gratitude exercises just so you can prime your mind to take on the rest of your day and know that you're going to nail your future. So if that sounds like something that would interest you to walk away feeling awesome, ready to take on your day, totally empowered, encouraged, enlightened, and just feeling pretty dang amazing, then make sure you hit that notification bell, okay? Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, so when videos come out, you're able to join me and continue to make progress towards your goals, feeling awesome along the way. Simple. Now, back to finding sanity in your life with this ancient practice. So let's get right to it. For centuries, human civilizations have taken a rest day each week. It's generally associated with religions, taking a rest day every week to have time with family, friends, going to churches, synagogues, temples, to have a day for study, family time, and to not work. My family and I actually take a rest day every Saturday. So on Saturdays, we don't do any work. We may have family time or have friends over. We may spend time reading our spiritual texts, whatever. So it was quite a delight for me whenever I saw that scientists have actually seen that this is so beneficial for people. There's a slew of benefits that help us whenever we take a rest day. So let me tell you a few of them. One, reducing stress. Obviously, if you're not working, you take a day off, you can kind of breathe. You don't have to be stressed about your projects or any of that stuff. You can just chill for a day. It's just so good for your health overall to just take a day to chill. It can reduce cortisol levels, reduce blood pressure. There's all sorts of crazy stuff that it does for you, just on a biological level. Taking a day off from work generally will help you to change your environment. If you're working the same place 7 days a week, if you're in front of your computer 7 days a week, you're probably indoors with whatever it is you do. Most of us are. Most of us have computer desks, working inside of an office space or inside of our homes. Being able to change your environment, one, is just good for you for just getting out, right? Taking your mind off of the work. But also, there's something to just getting out of your house, going somewhere new. It's kind of rejuvenating. If you have a sedentary lifestyle and you're at a computer all the time, I know I unfortunately spend way too many hours in front of a computer and not enough time moving my body. So it's great to have the opportunity to step away from the desk, move my body, go out, play with my kids, take a walk, ride bikes, and just be a little bit more active rather than just sitting at a desk all day. But also for people who may have active jobs, it's also an opportunity for you to just chill and not move your body, maybe stay in bed all day. Taking rest days also allow your immune system to have a reboot. It actually boosts your immune system because it's reducing chronic stress. It can increase your short-term memory, and taking a break, taking a rest day will actually help you increase focus when you are at work. And there's two reasons for that. One, taking that rest day helps to restore your mental energy, right? You're not putting so much energy on your work, so you're able to just chill your mind out a little bit. And two, when you allow your mind to just take a break and just chill, a lot of times you might find yourself daydreaming. Well, research has also found that whenever you allow your mind to wander and when you allow yourself to daydream, that you actually become more creative. And as entrepreneurs, we need to be more creative, right? We need to have creative solutions. We need to think about how to continue to drive our business forward. And so whenever you take a rest day, it really allows your brain to toy with new ideas, to come up with new solutions, and you're not under pressure to create these things, right? You just allow your mind to kind of freely explore different things. And it's just amazing the thoughts that will arise and surprise you. And you know, if you're pushing yourself 7 days a week to try to make progress towards something, you're likely going to end up with major burnout. Whenever you have burnout, I don't know if you've had it yet, I know I've had it, that whenever you hit that burnout point, you might just completely stop. You might just say, game over, I'm done. You might just halt all progress that you've made toward a particular goal, and it may be halted for days, weeks, months, maybe even years. There's some pretty serious consequences of letting yourself get to the point of burnout, so don't do that to yourself. Again, taking a rest day is something that humans have done for centuries. And it's a practice I encourage you to incorporate into your life. In our society, we've got a 24/7 go, go, go kind of society where there's always something to do. There's always something to do. But you can take one day day each week to just rest. Rest your mind, rest your body, spend time with your family, and just allow your brain to have a reset day and allow your brain to tap into some of that creativity that maybe all the stress that you may be experiencing isn't really allowing for your brain to get into, which could be hurting your progress. I know in my own life, taking a rest day is just huge. It's wonderful to spend time with my family. It's nice to have time to spend with friends, to just take a break, to chill, to go ride bikes or take walks, or even just stay in bed for several hours longer than I could ever get away with throughout the rest of the week. So if you find yourself working 7 days a week and constantly trying to push towards a goal, I encourage you to just take some time off. Take some time off. You'll be amazed at what it'll do for you. So I've just found so many benefits in my own life taking a rest day. And it's cool that research also shows and validates that the rest day is just wonderful for us. It's something our Creator gave to us for us. So it's something I encourage you to really, really consider implementing into your own life. All right, so if you haven't had a rest day lately and you haven't really been incorporating rest days into your life, and even if you have, let's enjoy a few more minutes of rest. Okay, find some place comfortable to sit. Let's do some breath work so you can kind of still your mind before you take on the rest of your day. This also is super good for your brain, for your mind, for your overall health, to reduce some stress. And let's just focus on priming your mind to take on the rest of your day so you feel awesome and ready for whatever comes your way. All right, so go find a spot to get comfortable. We'll get right into it. All right, so I hope you found somewhere comfortable to sit. And so what we're going to do is we're going to spend some time breathing. We're just going to take some deep breaths. And the whole purpose of this is to just kind of still your mind, just like what we were talking about of taking a full rest day. This isn't a full rest day, but man, this is so good for you to just chill your mind out for a few minutes. Let's just rest your mind and get you ready for once you leave me here today, you're just going to be recharged, ready to take on the rest of your day. So I want you to sit up, either sit up or if you're laying down, you can lay down, but either way, whenever you breathe, I want you to be able to breathe through your belly. We want to be able to expand through our belly instead of breathing through our chest, okay? You breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth and breathe as deeply as you can to fill up your abdomen, okay? I want you to keep your eyes closed too. I don't want you to think about anything else. I don't want you to focus on anything that's going on around you, okay? Just focus on breathing in, breathing out, and calming your mind down. Let's be in the moment. Let's think about your breaths. Don't worry about anything else that's going on, okay? So keeping your eyes closed, just breathe in. Breathe out, breathe in, out. Okay, so as you're stilling your mind and you're focusing on your breaths and you're calming down and you're present in the moment with me, I want you to just think about a few things that you're grateful for in this moment. Okay, think about 5 things. Let's identify 5 things that you can say you're really grateful for in this moment. And I'll start off by just saying that my breath, I'm super grateful for my breath because if I didn't have my breath, I would not have my life, right? So first and foremost, always grateful for that breath of life that I'm afforded. I'm grateful for rest days. I'm grateful that they are a part of my life that have allowed me to rejuvenate myself once a week and really calm down and be present with my family instead of continuing to go. I'm grateful that my husband was able to clean up our pool. It's looking awesome and we were able to swim yesterday, so that was pretty sweet. And I'm really grateful for this new mic. I'm hoping that the sound quality on this is a little bit better than my previous videos have been. So always grateful for new and useful technology. And I'm really grateful for this little selfie stick. It helps me shoot my videos and it's really handy. Now, as you've identified 5 things that you can be grateful for, and remember, they don't have to be big and they don't have to be small. Just anything that you can think about. 5 things to just be happy for. When we find moments of gratitude for even the smallest things, that also helps to recharge our minds and also helps to reset the way that we look at things and consider the world around us. So it's so important to take that time to just think about just a few things that you're really grateful for. And now as you continue to breathe and you're thinking about those 5 that you're grateful for, I want you to put your left hand over your heart and I really want you to feel that gratitude for those items that you just identified for yourself. Really feel that gratitude. Take a few moments to just feel your heart swelling with that gratitude and just feeling that joy for those things that are a part of your life. I don't know about you, but whenever I do this, I literally feel my heart swell up and it almost like feels intoxicating. It's really enjoyable. And I hope that you're feeling awesome and feeling so grateful for these items and just feeling very happy about them. All right, so keeping your eyes closed and you're feeling your heart is just swollen with gratitude and you're just feeling really awesome for the things that you're blessed with. I want you to envision the rest of your day and the things that you know are coming your way and the things that you know that you have to work on. And I just want you to envision them going smoothly and perfectly. I want you to think about laying your head on your pillow tonight knowing that you had an awesome day and things just fell into place. They worked out really well. And I want you to think about too, this goal that you have for yourself, whether it's spoken or unspoken, a goal that you know that you've set for yourself. And I want you to think about one thing throughout this beautiful, easy day that's ahead of you. I want you to think about one thing that you can incorporate today that's going to help to get you towards that goal. So your day is perfect and it's easy. The people you encounter are just perfect. Your conversations go smoothly. Work gets done. You've had some time to have a mental reset, so you're more productive today. So what's one thing, this big goal that you have set for yourself, what's one thing that you can identify that you can do today to help move you towards that goal, towards meeting that goal? Just identify that one thing. Envision incorporating that one thing into the rest of your day. And now I welcome you to open your eyes and join me again. I hope you're feeling awesome and really excited about the rest of your day, knowing that it's going to be great, knowing that you are recharged now, and knowing that you can take one step towards the goal that you've set for yourself, just one tiny little step towards that goal, because those daily small actions that you take towards your goal will eventually lead you to meeting that goal. Okay, so make sure you incorporate that in your day today. Thank you for taking some time to rest your mind with me. I hope this has been an amazing experience for you. I'd love to know what your 5 things are that you identified as being grateful for. And I'd love to know what your goal is that you're working on and the one thing that you're going to do today. So write those things in the comments so you can share with me. I'd love to stand with you and support you on your path to whatever it is that you're looking to succeed in. So thank you for joining me. I believe in you. You're amazing. You just need to believe in you and know that through simple daily steps, you can meet your goals, and just taking those moments to quiet your mind and to still your brain are just going to help fuel you closer towards those goals, help you meet your goals sooner with more creativity, less stress, and it's only for your benefit. So until we meet again, this is Nicolette Moore. Have a beautiful day, and just know I ain't got nothing but love for you.